Welcome to Lingala Institute. My name is Jonas Lusa. This video is a review of the song Très, Impoli by Franco Luambo Makiadi. Très Impoli is another one of those songs by Franco which anyone can relate to. We don't know the name of the subject, but we do know how he behaves. He doesn't have any manner. He is not a polite person. Franco is asking him, why do you behave like that? Pona nini usalaka bongo. He doesn't control his mouth. He also doesn't have a problem going straight into the bedroom when he goes to visit someone. When he goes to visit a friend at his office, he doesn't have any problem reading documents that he finds there. This funny song is also very long. Thanks a lot for watching. Pona nini usalaka bongo.